Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And if you're not up to speed on why I've got an Exmark Navigator and a Walker T27i sitting here at my shop, then watch some of the previous videos. That'll get you up to speed. In a nutshell, I'm considering buying a new mower for my personal yard. So these are demo units that I'm demoing to kind of see which one I like best. Like I said, go back and watch the other video, the very first one, to kind of give you a in-depth detail talk about these. While I've got you, you know that we have a shirt right here, a We Support You t-shirt. It's got the Army, Marines, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, National Guard, law enforcement, EMS, firefighter, and got stars and stripes on back, and it's got the GCI Turf logo. Reason I'm telling you about that is because we're not gonna have shirts anymore. They just don't move real good for us. So I'm gonna put these on sale, you know, pretty good price, and then you just pay the shipping on them. And if you see your size on the website, I'll link this up in the description below. If you go on there and look and your size isn't available, that means we don't have any more. We'll keep the stock updated on the website, and if your size is available, get you one if you want one. We'll probably do a shirt later on, may do a different design, but we're just trying to clear out some inventory and make some space for other things, and we're just gonna try and move these along and get these out of here so we can get moving in there. So the reason this grass is so dark, it's not because it's a Superior bad boy mowers. Look at there. It's a dealer right down the road, they're delivering. The reason this turf is so dark green is because I painted it. Yeah, if you want to see that, go back and watch that video. It's a dormant Bermuda Tiff-Tuff sod up under this green, and then I overseeded it with perennial rye, which may end up being the GCI Turf Ryegrass we'll show you this fall, or introduce to you this fall. But rye, perennial rye, is a very dark green turf, very dark green. But as part of me making my decision on you know, which mower I want to get, if I end up buying one, I'm gonna mow the shop grass with it. We found out that both of these mowers, the height of cut accuracy is not as it claims. It's about a ½ inch off. So when you have the deck set on 4 inches, you're actually cutting at 3.5. Both machines are like that. They're both off. Right now I have the height of cut set at, what do I have it set on? Yeah, so the lowest on the Walker is 1.5 inches, and then the next notch is 2 inches. I've got it in the 2-inch notch, so that means we're actually cutting it 1.5 inches. And that will allow me to cut the rye. And by the way, I haven't mowed the rye since I painted it, and that's been 3, 4, 5 days, maybe 6 days ago. I wanted to get up nice and thick and lush and bushy, just so the stripes would really pop for this video. But I'm trying to cut the turf. All I want to do is cut the rye. I don't want to cut down into the canopy of the Bermuda, because then I'll cut that paint off that I put on the Bermuda. You know, I don't want to cut that paint off. I just spent 2 hours painting the thing. So let's get a drone up in the air, get a couple of cameras positioned. Let's get out here and stripe, and then you can comment below and say which one you think stripes better. The Walker, we're gonna mow closest to the road, and we're gonna mow the first half or the left half of the yard here, and then I'll come over here and jump on the Exmark, and we'll finish it up and mow the right half with that. So comment below, tell me which one you think lays down the best stripes, because both of these things stripe. It's insane what they do. So yeah, it's a shame that the sun isn't out, because holy cow, this thing would be glowing like a new penny. Let's kind of do a little drive-by right here and see what that looks like. And man, it is so difficult to tell which one stripes better than the other. I'm not seeing it. Not seeing it. Let's get a little closer. That's the Exmark side. Then we slide over to the Walker side. You tell me. Walker, Exmark. Exmark, Walker. I don't know. It stinks the sun's not out, because if the sun were out, they would be absolutely glowing. So you really can't tell anything by that. It kind of washes out because of the camera, I reckon. But hey, one thing you notice, all that brown from the Bermuda is pretty much covered up from the paint, so it did exactly what I wanted it to do. There's the Exmark side, and I think right about here. Yeah, like this. You're right in the middle. So the darker stripe on the left is the Walker, and the light stripe on the right is the Exmark. There's the light and dark Walker, light and dark Exmark. It's just very, very, very difficult to distinguish between the two if there is a difference. I almost want to say the Walker stripes might be a little more crisp. I think maybe that's the word that would best describe it. It's more of a crisp stripe. But I don't know. You tell me what you think. The two gentlemen that dropped these off, they're coming back in a couple of hours to pick them up. And which one am I gonna buy? I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna go talk with Walker and Exmark, see if there's anything there, and just kind of fill them out on if they're willing to do anything. And regardless, if I buy one of the machines, I'm gonna buy the one I want, whether the company wants to work with me or not. That's not what this is about. It's about me getting the mower that I want, right? It's just an added bonus if the mower that I actually pick, that company wants to work with me or not. So the guys are coming back to get these here in a couple of hours. I'm gonna go and wash them and detail them, clean them up. I wanna return them in the same condition, if not better condition than they were left with me. That's just the right way to do things. So I'm gonna get over here and clean them up and detail them out. Then I got a bunch of work I gotta get done out here. We're getting ready to do some remodeling around here. Check you later. And if you're wondering what that little spot is right there, that's a little GCI Turf logo I painted in the corner right here. Pretty cool.